Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your GitHub account from Vscode. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we will be needing just to go to Vscode and we can access it from here. So I already have this project here and basically now we can see our Vscode. So now all we'll be needing to do is to simply go and search for our extensions, and here we will be needing to go to uh, Git. So from here just search for GitHub, and basically after that we will be needing just to simply go to our profile icon. So here in this profile icon you will be able to find all your icons. So I'm just going to here, and basically here you can see all your Git account. You can simply go to the GitHub. So here I have many services. You can go to the GitHub. You can go to manage trusted extensions, and from here we will find trusted ones, and here we will find GitHub, and basically here you will find your accounts, etc. So now if you want to sign out your account, you will be needing just to simply click on sign out account, and here you will need just to confirm. So this account has been used in many services, and if you sign out of this extension, you will be needing to authenticate the next time you are going to use these elements. So you can simply click on sign out, and now successfully signed out. And here, as you can see, we have no settings to add or etc. And here we can again sign in to GitHub to user copilot, and I can continue again with my account, and I can simply sign in again to my account. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.